Welcome back, guys. It's your old pal, Lavender 440 again. Thanks for visiting the channel once more. Today, we are talking about something called web components and how they can be useful in a business environment. Web components are a set of web APIs that allow users to create compact, reusable HTML tags. And these tags are based on existing web standards and supported by most browsers. In business, they can be extremely valuable in saving a lot of time and money, specifically in most development cases. They can do this by allowing developers to condense complex HTML code into simple tags that can be called and updated whenever needed. When a business works with complex code, it can be really difficult for that business to update specific sections, especially when they have to find errors line by line when there's thousands of lines of code. And that can be quite a headache. However, when using web components, that same business could simply update the tag that they would have in some kind of repository, and that would make all of the changes throughout their code in every instance where that tag was used. This can reduce hours of error handling into just a few minutes of updating tags, just like that. Because of this, web components have become extremely popular in the last 5 years where they first arose. Specifically, somewhere between 5% and 8% of all page loads today use one or more web components. And these are very new technology, so that's a pretty good number for them to be hitting by now. A lot of people are really realizing the potential of this technology and how it can save everybody a lot of time and a lot of money. And the great part is that web components are extremely reusable too. Like I said, a business could have a library of all the web components that they have been using in any of their projects, and they can just update, reuse tags whenever they need. And when a tag from the library is updated, then it changes every single instance of where that tag was used in their projects. You have to bear with me, my laptop's being a little slow. Well, and because of how convenient and time and money saving this is, a lot of web components have been adopted by businesses working with design systems and enterprise applications. And because it's based in HTML, it can be adopted by most browsers in any kind of coding language that it can convert to. So here on this website, it just talks about basically what I've been telling you guys, just how web components are very, very convenient for business, and just kind of shows you a little example of how you would make one by putting a little bit of code and associating it to a tag. And then when you call that tag, it will do exactly what that code had said without you having to rewrite it all out again. And this can save you a lot of time and consequently money. Well, that's about all I've got for tonight. Thanks for listening, guys. Hope you learned a little something about web components, and be assured that they are the future. All right, have a good night, guys.